Hello my friends, I am here today with a tutorial of delicious, puffy and very easy pancakes. Stay with me through the whole video and enjoy making these pancakes. If you enjoy the content of my channel, click the subscribe button to become a member of my channel and ring the little bell so you know whenever I post a new video. Ingredients: egg, 3 number or 12 large ones, baking powder 1 teaspoon, flour 1 cup, sugar half of a cup, milk some tablespoon. Well, in this type of pancake, you have to separate the egg whites and yolk so that you have good puffy pancakes. Now it's time to stir the whites with an electric mixer at a high speed. When the whites are slightly creamy, it's time to add sugar to the whites. Add sugar to the egg whites in 4 steps and mix well with the mixer. You can see the whites have become creamy and shiny. I add the egg yolks one by one and mix them very slowly. From now on, I will leave the mixer aside and mix the rest of the ingredients with a spatula. Sift the flour on the ingredients in 3 or 4 steps and mix the mixture gently and in a circular motion. Add a teaspoon of baking powder to the mixture. Finally, it's time to add milk to the mixture. I add milk little by little to the ingredients. This type of pancake does not need too much milk, so be careful your mixture does not loosen too much. When the mixture reaches this concentration, it's enough. I turn on the gas and grease the bottom of the pan with a very small amount of butter. Pour 3 spoons of pancake batter on the bottom of the pan. Remember, the gas flame must be very low or your pancake will burn. I pour a teaspoon of water around the frying pan and close it fast. After about 3 minutes, open the pan and put 2 tablespoons of the pancake mixture into the pan and close it quickly. This will make the pancakes puffier. When the pancakes turn golden, I turn them over so that the other side of them cooks as well. Our pancakes are ready. Now it's time to decorate them. I decorate them with cherry jam, chocolate, and pistachios. I love the taste of pancakes and chocolate. I can cover it with chocolate as much as I can. I hope you make this delicious pancake and enjoy it. If you enjoy the content of my channel, click the subscribe button to become a member of my channel and ring that little bell so you know whenever I post a new video. Hope to see you again.